Hello everyone, it's Lindsay and I am back with another unboxing video for you tonight. If you're new to my channel, I'm a part-time reseller here on Poshmark, RealReal, and also here on YouTube. I do post content Mondays and Thursdays, normally at 8 p.m. Eastern, but make sure you have your bell notification active because this Thursday I am participating in a very special Valentine's Day jewelry collab video that will be airing at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So I will have the link, or actually I'm going to insert the list of creators right now. So you can see that it will be kicking off Wednesday. My video will be airing Thursday and it will be running for 6 consecutive days. So make sure you follow along so you can see everybody's unboxings. So tonight I'm going to be opening a Coach box for you. I ordered this because my last two were so good. I did get a vintage item in both of my last two boxes. And I decided to pick this up when there was the free shipping code. So I did get a little bit of a discount. And of course it came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. So I'll get that open in just a second. Before I open the box, I did want to share this item that I just got in and offered this for sale. This is a Spartina, kind of a bucket bag. And it's got a beautiful canvas zigzag pattern on it. And it's like a cream and a olive green, and then the brown leather trim. And then it does have these two side pockets, which would be great to put, like something you need easy access to in there. And all of the zippers are working. And it does have the bottom feet, and really everything is in great condition on this purse. I wasn't really seeing any major issues of any kind. It is, like I said, like a bucket style, so you can cinch it in to close. So really nice. And the inside just might need a little bit of a vacuuming out, but overall it's really clean. It is a canvas interior, and then you do have your Spartina logo in the back. There is a zip pocket, and that is working, and then two slip pockets. And it also has a snap closure in addition to the drawstring. So really in great condition. I've never had a Spartina before, but I was really impressed with the quality of this purse. So definitely would recommend this brand if you ever see it. And it does have this beautiful little charm on it with a mermaid. So on this one, I'm gonna ask $25 plus shipping if anybody is interested in that. If you've never bought from me before, I will need your mailing address included in your email that you send to me. And I will have my email here on the screen, and I'll get you out a PayPal invoice. So here is our ThreduP box, and it did come in the smaller size, but there is some weight to this. And again, it did come from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania with their signature one piece of tape. But luckily it stayed completely closed, so that's good. I ordered it on December 19th, and they run $100 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. And here is a first look at the box. And we may have a vintage item to start with on the top. So here's a first peek. So let's dive in. All right, let's take a look at this one first. So this is kind of like a messenger bag, and it definitely looks vintage to me. It's a black leather, and then it has brown leather trim, and then the toggle closure. And there's definitely quite a bit of rubbing along the piping of the brown. Probably be conditioned up some to make it look a little bit better, but the leather is super soft and supple. but you're just seeing some, you know, color loss from the rubs on there. And this is nice. It has a back pocket that's pretty spacious. And it does need a little bit of a vacuum out, but overall seems pretty clean. And we do have a Coach hang tag on the interior zip pocket. It is a raw suede on the inside. And the creed on this one ends in 0947. So I'll have to look that up. And it does have a front pocket there. So a pretty spacious purse. You could definitely fit a lot in here. And now I am seeing on this side, there is some kind of like red mark on the piping. So I'm not sure exactly what that is. It's not the end of the world. And it's not really that noticeable from the front, but when you're looking at it on the bottom, you can see it. And the strap does not remove. It is adjustable brown leather. So you can certainly wear this one crossbody. And the strap looks to be in pretty good shape. It is starting to show some strain right there. It might be able to be stitched up a little bit, but it's still very secure. And the other side looks good. And I don't see any issues with the edge coat or anything like that. So this is great. Hopefully I can find out what style this is, and I will put a price on the screen if anybody is interested in this one. So that's a good start. And next up, let's see here. Ooh, we have one with a kiss lock center. So this is a shoulder bag, and there are just a couple bobby pins that were falling out. So this is a brown leather, kind of like a textured leather, really soft. And this one looks to be in pretty good shape. There is, you know, maybe just a little bit of wear, but overall the corners and everything are not showing that many rubs. So the leather itself really has kind of a distressed look. So it looks really good. And the inside has the plaid interior. So there's a couple slips in there. And then you have the kiss lock center pocket, which is awesome. I love that detail. And on the other side, you have a zip pocket. So this one definitely needs a cleaning on the inside. There are a lot of interior stains. There's a piece of popcorn, a gum wrapper, and those bobby pins. So this can definitely be wiped down a bit. It's not going to look perfect, but I think it will clean up pretty good. And this one is 12248. So I will have to look that one up and put some info on the screen. It does have a okay, so the snaps just close on either side of the kiss lock pocket. So the kiss lock actually sticks out just a little bit, so you can see it easily when you open up the bag. And the handles look good. This is an older one, I think, newer vintage probably, but very nice quality. And you do have the Coach hang tag there. So that is a great item. Other than the interior stains, it's in really good shape. So very happy about that one too. I love getting the leather purses. And next up, this looks like a nice one as well. This has a convertible kind of strap option. You can carry it as a tight shoulder, or it has the longer adjustable crossbody strap. And the longer strap removes. There is quite a bit of wear along the plating of the hardware. but you know, that doesn't really bother me so much. Just normal wear and tear of the purse. The front looks good. And the back as well. And this one also, the corners look pretty good. Maybe just a minor rub or two, but overall in very good condition. It's a nice soft leather. And the interior is a beautiful red sateen. There's a zip pocket and 2 slips. And this one is 15959 is the creed. And it definitely needs a bit of a cleaning. There's some staining there. And there are some marks on the inside, but overall it's pretty clean. No bad odors or anything, but just some residue that needs to be wiped down. But overall, it's in good condition. Our zipper is functioning. So this is a really nice one. Just wear along the hardware, just from kind of clinking together, but a really nice strap, and it does have the Coach branding on the hardware as well. So this is a great one. I don't see the hang tag, but it's very nice, and this will go with absolutely everything. So a great everyday purse. And next up we have a canvas, the Monogram canvas, just a shoulder bag, like a medium size. And the front of this one looks really good. I don't see any stains on it. It does have a double hang tag on there. And it's just a little bit smushed, but it should stuff out really nice. And honestly, the exterior of it looks almost brand new. And the straps are like a patent leather. They are a little bit misshapen and a little bit stiff, but I'm not seeing any issues on the edge coat or anything like that. This one is a factory purse. It's F21949. And maybe just a light vacuuming out is needed in there. It's got a zip pocket, and then we have a center zip. And a bigger pouch over here with 2 slips. So it just needs a light vacuuming. And then we do have a snap closure to connect all 3 of the compartments. So this is a nice one, in very good condition, and it does have the nice leather details on the sides. So really nice purse, and in great condition. So that was it for the purses, and this does come with 1 accessory, which I have here. And this is a purse strap, and really nice. It's a metallic pink, and it looks like it's possibly brand new with the tag. It was a MSRP of $95, and it's got gunmetal hardware. There is some slight adjustment there. And it looks like there might be a couple marks on it, like up over here and there as well. I don't know if that would wipe off or not, but not a big deal. That would kind of be on the top of your shoulder anyways. But really nice gunmetal silver. And then the other side is like a burgundy, I guess. So I don't know if you could possibly wear that reversed. So that is really nice. I've never gotten a strap as an accessory, but honestly, I would rather get this than a wristlet or something. So this is a great item. And again, I think we're 3 for 3 on these boxes. For the more recent Coach boxes I've gotten, this was a great box. Really happy about the vintage, and all of the purses were in really good condition. So we had the purse strap for number 1 for the accessory. We had the canvas shoulder bag, a medium size monogram for the first purse. We had the black leather. This one probably had the most wear just because of the hardware. And then we had this really pretty brown shoulder bag with the kiss lock interior. And then finally was the vintage messenger bag. So ThreduP has been doing a really good job with the Coach boxes. They have been pretty difficult to get, and when they do come up, they sell out much quicker than the other purse boxes. So I do feel like they're putting time into curating these boxes pretty well. A lot of the unboxings I've seen outside of my channel have also had vintage items. So I'm really happy with this one, and I will continue to pick these up. Make sure you join Christina and Brighton on Wednesday for the Valentine's Day jewelry collab that will be kicking off, and then back on my channel on Thursday. So again, I will have that info linked and the schedule posted in the beginning of the video. So take care, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you back on Thursday.